Have you ever wondered why, if pizza is round, it is cut into triangles and stored in square boxes? Well, it turns out that there is a logical and mathematical explanation for this curious phenomenon. And no, it has nothing to do with pizza makers being jokers. The reason the pizza is round has to do with the way the dough is made. By stretching it with your hands or with a rolling pin, you get a circular and uniform surface, which is the easiest to make and the one that makes the best use of space. In addition, being round, the pizza is heated evenly in the oven, which guarantees an optimal result. The reason why the pizza is cut into triangles has to do with the way it is divided. By dividing it into equal portions, consumption is facilitated and waste is avoided. In addition, being triangles, each slice has a wide part, the crust, and a narrow part, the tip, which allows it to be held with one hand and bitten without difficulty. The reason why pizza is stored in square boxes has to do with the way it is transported. By using rectangular cardboard boxes, space is optimized and production costs are reduced. In addition, being square, the boxes stack better and prevent the pizza from moving or deforming during transport. As you can see, everything has its explanation. And if you're not convinced, you can always make your own homemade pizza and cut it, store it and eat it as you like. Enjoy! Subscribe for more videos like this. Translated with Deep L.